You can join variables together using the print command. Notice here I have got quote and I have got quote two variables. When I run this, at the very end I say print, open paren, quote plus quote two, close paren, and those both print together on the same line. What I love about this course is it teaches you the fundamentals nice and slow, so as you get better at this, you're going to know a wide variety of options that you have to get very creative with your own code. Here's another example of some of the things that you can do. I've got my quote and my quote two. I'm going to combine those in a third variable called quotes combined equals quote plus quote two. And when I print quotes combined, you're then once again going to see the entire string of the multiple variables on a single line. Let's make things look nice with indentations using a variable and string substitution. Watch this. Notice here, I create a variable called spaces equals single quote space single quote times 20. So we now know that spaces really means I want 20 spaces. Now I'm going to use my print command with substitution of a string and say teratom percent spaces. I'm going to do the next on the next line and the next line, and then print a literal space, and then print, please contact me at the above address if you would like a training class. And notice the indentation. Teratoms, 20 spaces. Data Warehouse Waste, 20 spaces. Analytics Ohio, 20 spaces. Then I've got a new line that's going to be empty, and then I'm going to be able to have no spaces and say, please contact me at the above address if you would like a training class. This is how you use indentation through a variable and string substitution. What a nice technique this is.
This lesson is brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. Begin your Teradata journey the right way with our Teradata Basics book. Visit coffingdw.com for more information.